Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are comparing two air fryers, QINQIWD and Gourmia air fryer oven. We will be evaluating them in different categories and help you decide which one to go for. Don't forget to like this video, comment and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. QINQIWD is priced at $35, while Gourmia air fryer oven is priced at $99. Though QINQIWD is cheaper, Gourmia has a larger cooking capacity and more features that justify the higher price. QINQIWD air fryer has a simple design with basic controls and 2.5L capacity. Gourmia air fryer oven has a more sophisticated design with a variety of cooking modes and a larger cooking capacity of 8 quarts. Gourmia oven is built using high-quality materials that are long-lasting. QINQIWD has basic cooking modes such as fry, bake, grill, and roast, whereas Gourmia has 12 one-touch digital presets that can help you cook a wide range of dishes such as French fries, wings, bake, roast, and many more. Both of these air fryers use air technology to cook food, which means that you get the same taste of fried food without the added cholesterol. However, Gourmia has an added advantage of removing up to 90% of fat through its fat removal technology. All Gourmia appliances come with a 1-year comprehensive international warranty which provides peace of mind to the customer, whereas QINQIWD does not have any such warranty. So that is our comparison of the QINQIWD air fryer and the Gourmia air fryer oven. We hope this video cleared your doubts and will help you make the right choice for your kitchen. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.